Hello students and parents, welcome back to my channel Fun Learning with Shomita. Today I am going to make for you a nice artwork. Today I am going to make a model of letterbox which you can use as a paper holder, or you can keep your official letters or argent papers in it, as well as you can decorate your drawing room. So let's see how I am making it. So my beautiful model of letterbox is ready now. You can keep it in your drawing room as a showpiece to decorate your house, as well as you can use it as a paper holder and an argent letters and documents holders. It can hold a lot of papers and documents in it, and your drawing room will remain neat and clean. Just insert your papers from the top opening, and when necessary